Welcome to IT Project Management course. In this course, we will learn about what is project, what is IT project management, and how manager plays a very key role in the success of a project. So just in today's video, we will start the very basics and then we will move forward. Starting from a project, what is a project? A project is a temporary effort undertaken to create a unique product, service, or result. It means it has a start and finish date. It produces something new or different, but must not be of routine work. It is planned activity which needs careful organization and the structure work. If we just take examples of like developing a new mobile banking app or migrating data to the cloud, so these are the examples of the IT project. Now you can see here we have the core component, the project, and it has a lot number of characteristics like defined objectives, unique deliverable, temporary, value oriented, teamwork, stakeholder involvement, risks and uncertainty, and every project must have some constraints like the budget constraints, the time constraints, etc. We will see all these in detail later on. Now coming to define the characteristics one by one. The first one, that is the temporary. Temporary means it has every project must has a defined start and finish and ends with some outcomes or deliverables. Then we have the unique deliverable characteristic, which produces something new or meaningfully improved like product, service, or capability. Then you can see progressive elaboration, which plans get sharper as you learn. Every plans are high level, details emerge through discovery, prototyping, and feedback. It means with the passage of time, every project gets uh, more detailed, and we are going to elaborate each and every aspect of that. Then we have the constraints and the trade-offs. This is like iron triangle, which have the key factors scope, time, and cost, with quality in the middle, which changes to one usually affect the other. Then we have uncertainty and risk. All projects have unknowns. Good projects identify risks early, monitor them, and prepare mitigation and contingency plans. So in every project, there must be some uncertainties, risks which needs to be identified, and all these projects need to be mitigated as well. Then we have the another key component, and that is the cross-functional teamwork, which brings together people from different roles like product development, quality assurance, UX UI design, data security, from the legal team, from the procurement teams, and from the vendors as well. Then there is a stakeholder involvement. We can see that the stakeholder are all those people who are involved directly or indirectly in our project. That can be the users, sponsors, regulators, and other partners, that all we need them. Engagement and communication in the stakeholder involvement is essential. Then we have the governance and decision points. We can see that we have the stage gates. You must have some steering committees to evaluate and monitor the different phases of the project, and change control help keep the project aligned with the goals. And we have also the value orientation. You see the modern projects focus on value delivery, not just the output. So all the time we must have to think about this, that did we actually improve the outcomes or not. So that should be the main focus of the project. The last one, every project ends with some sort of documentation, and we also learn some lessons, and we also get more information to capture. So all the artifacts, which are the charter requirements, like requirement specification document, the different tests, the run books, that ensure to be handed over to the operations and sustainability teams. Then, before going to the IT project management, first we must know what is mean by management. So, management is the process of planning, organizing, leading, and controlling resources. What are the resources? Like people, finances, tools, and processes to achieve specific goals effectively and efficiently. Management has different core components like planning, which means setting the objectives and deciding how to achieve them. Organizing, which means arranging resources and responsibilities. Leading as well, which means guiding, motivating, and inspiring the people. Controlling, which means monitoring the progress and making adjustments from time to time. If we take an example, just like planning a school event or the college or university event, so plan means to decide date, budget, and other activities. Organizing means, in this context, to assign tasks to teachers, students, faculty members, and other administration. Uh, in this case, the lead will be to inspire the team. And to control means to monitor the progress and ensure that all the tasks are on the track. Now, coming finally to the IT project management. So, IT project management is the discipline of applying management principles, tools, and techniques specifically to information technology projects, what we call the IT, to ensure successful delivery. It involves what defining the scope means what to build, planning the time, budget, and resources, coordinating with the teams like developers, testers, security experts, vendors. Already, I have mentioned that all. Then, managing the risks, quality, and communication, delivering a solution that meets some business goals. Now, if we take just some examples of the project IT projects, we can have in the software development to create a mobile app for online learning, to develop an e-commerce website. These are all the IT projects. Then we have some infrastructure projects as well, like setting up a schools or university computer lab network or to upgrade them, migrating servers to the cloud. We can also have some data and analytics projects that can be building a data warehouse or developing AI powered dashboards. If we just look from other projects from cybersecurity aspects, so we can have implementing the multi-factor authentication in different apps or the software, or we can also set up a firewall and intrusion detection system. If we look some examples in the digital transformation, that can be introducing an ERP system for a university or automating manual payroll system. So these are all the examples of the IT project. Now, just looking at the importance of the project management. So, project management means that every project must be aligned with the business goals. If we have proper management, so we can align the project with the business goals, and it also ensures the efficient use of time, cost, and resources, because we have the different three or four main components, that is the time, the budget, and resources. So we must use all these resources very efficiently. And then, its importance is that it improves the predictability and reduces risks. If we have the proper management experience, then we can predict and can identify the different risks. It also enhances the team coordination and communication, ensures the quality deliverables, and also increases the stakeholder and customer satisfaction, and as well supports the innovation and continuous improvement. So all these are the importance of the project management. If we have the proper project management experience and tools, and we have the experts, so with the help of the proper project management, we can improve the project, we can end the project within due time, within due budget, within the available resources. So we should have to keep all these things in mind. And finally, if you like this video, so subscribe the channel for more project management videos. Thank you.